Good morning to everyone. My name is Ibrahim. Mr. name is Joroboyev, and I'm student of the Tashkent State University. And today, my presentation about green economy of Republic of Uzbekistan and the European Union. First of all, today our agenda is we will talk about the introduction. What's the green economy at all, and the green economy is back, and the green economy in the European Union, and then we will have a bit summary about the key difference and the key roles over there, and how green economy is impacting each country and the whole world at all. Okay, first of all, let's have a look at the introduction part. The role of green economy in our life. First of all, the green economy is sustainable consumptions and the production and the resource efficiency for sustainable development. What it means? The green economy, it's not only the economy where we are to the reduce the level of waste and the reduce the harming to the environment, but it's also about our sustainable development of the economy and the other also the other aspects. Also, it's also the green economy purpose and the aim is to improve production process and the consumption practices to reduce resource consumption, waste regeneration, and the emission across the full life cycle of a process and a product. While the resource efficiency refers to the way in which resources are used to deliver the value to society and aim to reduce the amount of resource needed and the emission to waste generated per unit of product or the service. Okay, here we have some diagrams where we have some the explanation of the resource efficiency is achieved in greater availability, reducing the resources use and the emissions. Green economy's macroeconomy approach focuses on investing in green economy activities, infrastructure, and the skills. SCP is policies, tools, and the practices that connect with the green economy approach. Okay, next approaches are UN environment focuses on first of all the policy mainstreaming, secondly its economy instrument and the capacity building. Okay, first of all in policy mainstreaming we have the policy development, ways of the they are supporting for the mainstanding of the green economy in the strategy of the regional and the national level. Second is technical assessment and the knowledge product. Thereafter, they are developing of the approach tools including the strategy, assessment, environment and climate evaluation, social impact assessment, environmental, social, and the green procurement standards. Then we have the policy tools, kits, and the guidelines. There's also the talking about the policy support for the development of the green economy and the low carbon development strategy. Then we have the economist instrument, which is financial mechanism and the new business models. They are which is also the supporting the green economy in the whole world. Capacity building, it's ever training and the development capacity building. It's innovative in the activity to address immediate green economy knowledge gaps, needs, and the policy priorities. And then institutional strengthening is so that they have to integrate of long-term institution knowledge and the skills through the policy, dialogues, trainings, and application of toolkits about the green economy. Okay, here's the three main areas of the current work on the green economy in the whole world. First of all, it's advocacy of the macroeconomy approach to sustainable economic growth through the regional, sub-regional, and the national fora. Demonstration of the second is demonstration of the green economy approaches with a central focus on the access to green finance, technology, and investment. Third one is support to countries in terms of development, mainstreaming of macroeconomic policy to support the transition to the green economy. Here we have the triangle, which after the is sustainable consumption and the production, which is connect with the business, citizens, and the regulation frameworks. Then, okay, let's move to our next plan is green economy in Uzbekistan. In the green economy in Uzbekistan, it's for after the right now Uzbekistan using the plan, which is after the long during the few years, which we after the day made a plan till 2030 here. And nowadays there are three main aspects which Uzbekistan is following to achieve the green economy. Also to work with the green economy. First is renewable energy development. Right now in Uzbekistan, they are more aiming and investing to for solar and the wind power to reduce the reliance on the fossil fuels, aiming for 25 renewable energy in its electricity mix by 2030. Then is sustainable agriculture and the water management. Okay, efforts to focus on efficient irrigation, sustainable farming, and water conservation to enhance crop yield and address water scarcity, especially post-Aral Sea crisis. Third is energy efficiency and emission reduction. It's reduction. Okay. The country is modernizing, introducing the promoting energy efficient technology, reduce emissions, and supported the clean transportation to achieve a low carbon development. It meant that they are of the decreasing level of carbon, which is of the appearing because of the production or because of the some let's say the some activity. But next point is how the green economy, the developing the green economy, impact to the people in Uzbekistan. First of all, it's economy diversification and the job creation. While we're after the developing the green economy, we are creating a new ideas. It means that we are creating a new job, and we are after the diversificate our budget and diversificate our focus to develop from the all sides. Second is environmental production and the resource conversation. Okay, it's about the recycling the after the wastes and the how we are after how people how we are need to look after our environment to make it clean and to after the, to reduce the level of the emissions. Third is improve public health and the quality of life. Okay, if you're having so the if people have the clean air and the clean environment, it means that they will be health and their quality of life will increase due to this. Okay, how also our great medic the Abu Ali Bisno said that if there wouldn't be any dust in the world, the people will live at least 100 years. It's also so that they connect to our topic. Next one is after the green economy of the European Union. The green economy in the European Union in the central part of its strategy to achieve sustainable development, reduce environmental impact, and combat climate change. Okay, the first is European Green Deal, the European Union flagship intensive aim to make environment to the first climate neutral content by 2050. It focuses on reducing greenhouse gas emissions, increasing the use of renewable energy, and improving energy efficiency. Okay, the plan included the ambitious targets such as 55% reduction in emission by 2030 compared to 1990 levels, and a massive investment in the clean technologies. Okay, the next is uh, circular economy and the sustainable industry. The European Union promotes a circular economy focusing on the reducing waste, recycling materials, and the reusing resources. It's also to included the recycling. This shift supports sustainable industry, reduces dependency on raw materials, and minimize environmental damage. It means that they are creating new ways to recycle the goods of the waste and to use them and to reduce the level of the risk and the level of the harm to the our environment. The policies encourage sustainable product design, extend product life cycle, and the waste reduction. Third is support for green innovation and the jobs. Investment in research, innovation, and the green technology are prioritized to drive economic growth and job creation. Just transition fund support region and the workers impacted by the shift to the green economy. Our next point is key points of the European Union strategy. First, it's achieving climate neutrality by 2050, and the second in transitioning to the circular economy. First, it's up to achieving the climate neutrality by 2050. It means that the European Union purposed to decrease after the minimize the gas emissions and after minimize the after the carbon uh, gas or the carbons emissions to our environment. After the transition to the circular economy, it's after the about developing a technology in the way how to recycle, how to reuse, and then increase the life cycle of the products to make and minimize the waste and the harm to the environment at all to the whole world. Okay, and here we have the key difference between the Uzbekistan and the European green economy. First of all, in the focus areas in the economic development research we will talk. Okay, in the focus areas, Uzbekistan emphasized renewable energy expansion, especially on the solar and the wind, efficiency of water management, and the modernized architecture due to the heavy dependence on the water. But the European Union focused on achieving the climate neutrality by the 2050 with ambitious emissions reduced targets, a circular economy to reduce the waste. Okay, here you can see that the difference between them is up to the Uzbekistan is up to the purpose to use less energy out of oil, out of nafta or the something else. But the European Union focuses to use also to make a neutrality climate by 2050 by the after the reducing the targets and the reuse, recycle the product and the reduce the waste. And the next is economic development and the resources. Uzbekistan is as a developing country. Uzbekistan faces financial and technology constraints, making the international partnership crucial for the green project. It's about most of the lack of investment on the green economy in Uzbekistan because it's also the developing country and in Uzbekistan need to develop the other parts of their country also. And the European Union is a highly developed of the economy bloc. The European Union has a great financial resource and a technological capability, allowing for the large-scale green investment. Okay, let's move to the summary. Okay, in a summary, I want to tell you that over the next 10 years, the green economy can transform the world by reducing the carbon emissions, combating the climate change, and creating millions of new jobs in sustainable industry. It will promote the cleaner energy, a circular economy, and the eco-friendly innovation, leading to the healthier environments and the improved quality of life. This shift can drive technology advances, economic growth, and the more sustainable consumptions patterns, ultimately creating a more resilient and equitable world. And on these notes, we will end our presentation. Thank you for your attention.